If the movies you're seeing look something like this, where you can't read the menus up here or see the information in the cells or the data, then there's several possibilities of what is wrong, and we will be going over these. But first, I'd like to show you what a good quality picture looks like, and then we will talk about how to solve the problem of when you get a picture like this. You should be seeing a video that is 640 by 480 in size, and the same clarity as what you see here. You should be able to read file, edit, view very clearly, all the symbols, whatever. And so this tutorial will look at some of the things you need to do to get this quality of video. One problem that you might be having is that you are using one of the new Windows media players, and to determine which one you're using, go to Help, About Windows Media Player, and look at the version. Chances are, if you are not getting good quality, you are not using version 6.4, you're using one of the version 7s. Now, it's interesting that when Microsoft supposedly improved their versions, that the quality went down. The reason is that they are trying to appeal to the MTV generation, and they put all of this stuff around here. Now, this is called a visualization or a skin. So you have different skins, and what we need to do is change this skin back to what is called the classical or the 6.4 look. And when you do that, then you'll get good quality. Now, the first step you have to do to change it is make sure you have the latest version. If you don't, you may not be able to change back to the classic. So then go to View and go to Compact Mode. When you go to Compact Mode, you will see that there was a change in the look of it, as well as someplace on your screen, usually in the lower right, is this little box here. This is critical for changing the skin. So what you do is you right-click this, select a new skin, and before we choose the classic, I want to show you the different choices you can get. There's many, many more. So you can really jazz up and ruin a good video. So we're going to choose Classic right here, and then say Apply Skin. And when you do it, it's going to come up with this old, dull looking format, but this turns out this format is super, and it will automatically resize and do everything you need. So this is one thing you need to do. Second, you want to make sure that your resolution is at least 800 by 600. The way you do that is click anywhere on your desktop. This is the desktop, and you right-click and you select Properties, Settings, and here is where you set the screen area. This is set at 1024 by 768. Here's 800 by 600. Here's 640 by 480. You do not want 640 by 480. You want 800 by 600 or something higher. When you're through, you would click on OK, and it would reset the resolution for you. You saw the blank and everything. So those are the two things that should fix it. If those don't fix it, then you have another problem, and please contact your teaching assistant.